Hey guys, and welcome back. On this video, we're doing chicken wings. I love me some chicken wings, and I'm always excited to cook chicken wings. We're going to be firing up the pit barrel, and we're going to be doing a salt and pepper chicken wing with a blue cheese scallion dip. So let's get cooking. All right, so what we have here are some basic party wings you get from the store in frozen bag. I just thawed them out, set them on a rack to somewhat dry. And then what I got here is just salt and pepper. That's it. It's about three teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of pepper. Nice and simple. We're just gonna go ahead and let this rain down on the chicken wings. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. Go ahead and hit the other side. All right, I already got the pit barrel heated up. I got 1 chunk of apple wood in there. That's all we're going to do. We're going to get these on. All right, our chicken wings are on the pit barrel cooking away. It's gonna go maybe hour and a half till they're nice and crispy. In the meantime, let's go ahead and make our blue cheese scallion dip. Again, extremely simple to make. I'm gonna use my little food processor here. It's a little Ninja. We're gonna put in some sour cream, maybe, I don't know, call that half a cup. Got about 4 scallions here that I'm gonna just dice up. It's about, I don't know, I'm gonna call that 3 tablespoons roughly. We got some fresh blue cheese crumble. I'm gonna add, again, I'm eyeballing this. I don't know, maybe a couple ounces I'd call. That's all I'm gonna add. Go ahead and get our blender on. And we're just gonna go ahead and pulse this. All right, that's about what we want. It's nice and chunky. It's not creamy. We just pulsed it. We're gonna go ahead and set this aside in the refrigerator and let all those flavors come together. By the time our chicken wings are done, we'll be ready to rock. So our wings are done. Took about an hour and 20 minutes, roughly. We got them to the nice crispiness that I like. So we're not done yet. We got one last step. I got a wok heated up right here. To that, I'm going to add a few tablespoons of sesame oil. Some fresh chopped garlic. And some chopped up green onion. I'm also going to add a pinch of some red pepper flake, some crushed red pepper flake. We're going to get this all sauteed up. All right, we gave this about a minute or 2. It's starting to be really, really aromatic. Go ahead and add our chicken wings slowly. And we're just going to give these a toss. That's it. We're all done. Let's go ahead and plate these up. So here we have it. Salt and pepper chicken wings with a blue cheese scallion dip. I wish you guys can smell this. It's incredible. I am a fanatic for chicken wings. I love eating chicken wings. There are only a few places out there, some pubs that I know of that I go to, that I know I'm going to get great wings, because there are some pretty bad wings out there. That's why I like to make them myself. Whether it's football, soccer, baseball, hockey, doesn't matter. I make wings. People ask me to make wings. Love them. So let's go ahead and give these a bite. Get some of our blue cheese scallion dip. Oh yeah. Chicken is nice and tender. It's got a little crisp to it. That blue cheese, and then you get that hint of that onion, that green onion. Salt and pepper. These are incredible. Give me a 12-pack, a bunch of these. I'm set for the night. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.